Hello guys, and welcome back to another Tweaker Man video. So in this video I'm taking a look at upgrading the power supply to the Pioneer DV-LX50. So this was the final top of the range DVD player that Pioneer produced, and it looks very similar to their early Blu-ray players. Now this retailed around about 500 back in the mid 2000s. I think it came out around 2006, 2007. It's a very accomplished player, and this was voted the best DVD player that went through the What Hi-Fi Sound and Vision testing rooms of all time for picture quality and sound. So as far as picture quality is concerned, I remember at the time having a Blu-ray player alongside this, and when this was upscaled to 1080p with a well recorded DVD, the picture quality was not far off of pure 1080p HD. It was that good, the way it upscaled the picture quality. It was amazing. Well, it still is now when I watch standard DVDs, which I have loads of, especially old war films and bits like that. But the sound quality is also very good, but I still think it can be improved. Now the problem is a lot of the all the chips on the board are these surface mounted small chips. I'm not interested in getting involved in replacing any of those, but what I will be doing is replacing capacitors in the power supply. So as you can see, the power supply is shielded here, so I'm going to remove that to show you the underneath of it. So I remember the review of this in What Hi-Fi Sound and Vision magazine, and what they said about it was Viagra for your DVDs. It upscaled them so good. So if I can give this player the same lift as what I did to the Blu-ray player, I'll be well happy. I mean, that really has improved that player immensely. And I swear that I can do that to this. I mean, this is a fabulous player in its own right already. But you can still go further. Let's just take a look at the back panel of this player. Here we have very nice plugs fitted. That's the audio 2-channel. That's the only thing I use on it. And that's the new IEC plug I fitted. And I use the HDMI cable with a very expensive HDMI lead, which I bought for this. It has a big filter block on the HDMI cable. Now I was up on it at the time. Now I can't remember what it was for, but it was it really improved the picture quality as well. This is the power supply board with the metal casing taken off. Okay, as you can see, I've already fitted in, this was a while ago, a Furatech mains filter IEC, and that really did improve the picture quality. Again, it just taking it to another level. So there's an array of things in here. There's a few regulators. Okay, so Sparkos, they do regulators, upgrade regulators. They work out to around about £33 each, so they're not cheap. And there's a few on here, and all of the capacitors on here are made by Rubicon, which is very good already, but I still think that I could take it a little bit further by changing these to some slightly better caps. And should be another interesting video. and project for me. You may also see that I'd fitted a Hi-Fi Tuning Supreme fuse into the power supply there as well. So another project coming up. Should be interesting. See if we can do some improvements. So I think that's it for this video for now. So thanks for watching another Tweaker Man video. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a like. Don't forget to press that notification bell, so you're notified each time I upload a new video. And thank you for watching, guys.